Take a look at your forecast now and what's going on there. Plenty of sunshine as we're starting off our day. 68 is your temperature at this point. I do expect us to be at the 70-degree mark at 8 o'clock this morning, and we'll likely continue to go up from there. We'll likely be into the mid-80s for high temperatures today. Winds out of the southwest, 8 miles an hour. The barometer 39/100 of an inch, and the dew point coming in at 60 degrees. We do have once again a small chance for stormy conditions for the afternoon. Here's the look. You can see right there, marginal risk. That's what we're painted in for today. Basically, you say, what does that mean? It's, we always argue and we say it doesn't do a good job. Some of these markers there for telling exactly what to expect with severe weather. Generally, a marginal risk means that we're not expecting any severe weather, but we can't rule out maybe one, maybe even 2 cells being severe and getting a severe thunderstorm warning. Generally, when you have a marginal risk, you don't expect to see a watch. And here is the area that we're looking at this point. It's as a cold front sinks in, coming in from the north, moving to the south. As that happens, we will have that chance for maybe a storm or two, getting just to the point where we see those winds 60 miles an hour or greater. That would cause a severe thunderstorm warning. So there's a cold front there. It's still well off to our north, and it'll just kind of sink down today. It's not any big rush to do that. So it's going to take until about 5 o'clock before it starts to cross over I-80. It'll be weakening as it does, but it'll cross over I-80 and will bring us that storm chance. So we'll watch closely for that. Here's a look at temperatures right now. 68 in Pittsburgh, Butler 66, the Denora area 63, and Washington at 65 degrees. Champion area also coming in at 66 degrees. Our high temperature today, well, we're going to be looking at that high right at 84 degrees, and there will be an afternoon rain chance as well. Winds out of the west-southwest, 5 to 15 miles an hour. Is what it looks like at this point. So here's your forecast and kind of what we can expect to see. You can see those temperatures into the 80s starting as soon as about 1 o'clock, going all the way up until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then we'll fall back down into the 70s. It will be warmer and a little bit more humid than what we saw yesterday, where it was fairly dry. Here's the cold front. Doesn't look like much right here. This is at 6 o'clock. You can see it kind of right on top of I-80, just crossing over I-80. This particular model dries us out and really doesn't show much in the way of any rain for places like Pittsburgh today. And we can't guarantee that you're going to see some rain out there, so a lot of folks will likely be dry start to finish when it comes to rain. A couple of spotty showers also will be possible as we're heading into Thursday. I have it right now at 20%, but I might have to bump that up. It is mainly to the southwest of Pittsburgh and south of I-70 where we'll have that decent shot at some rain. After that, we start to see our rain chances going up Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. At this point, the biggest concern as that comes in is going to be just how much rain we see overall, because we could potentially be looking at some flooding because of just how much rain we've already seen. We are about 2.5 inches ahead of normal when it comes to our rain totals already. There's a look at your 7-day outlook. We're looking at 84 your high today, 88 your Thursday high, and a Friday high coming in at 88 degrees.